Collin?
Four.
Four.
Okay, so why'd you bring a 4-year-old into the chiropractic office? Let's just start right there.
We have struggled with Collin's ears and speech for the last couple years. He had chronic ear infections. We went to the ENT. He got tubes back in January of 2023, and he has not passed a hearing test since. And so we struggled with the hearing even with tubes. And then, of course, he was also struggling with speech. So he's been in speech therapy for a while. The tubes finally fell out, but he had complications along the way. It was a pain. And then once the tubes fell out, he failed a hearing test again. And they were saying he might need tubes because of fluid buildup. Well, I had a good friend recommend the chiropractor. I was a little skeptical. It made me nervous to get my 4-year-old adjusted. And I couldn't have been more wrong. Not only was it successful and cleared up his ears, and hearing, and it's helped with his speech ever since, in just 7 adjustments. He loves going, and it's gentle. It does not scare me in the slightest, and he loves coming.
He jumps off the table smiling each time. So yeah, I remember that last time that we were going to that follow-up appointment. I was like, all right, gonna see if there's fluid behind the ear, and he called in like, hey, everything's good to go. So
yeah, I can't thank you guys enough. He's just it's been so much better, and now he doesn't need tubes. And ENT could not believe it. She said the longer the fluid sits there, the less likely it is to clear up. So again, I didn't have high hopes for it, but I was willing to try anything. And she couldn't believe it. And then I told her I saw the chiropractor, and she said, well, whatever you did worked.
Good. And that's why we ask people to do these videos. So there's other people that have 4-year-olds, 3-year-olds that are in the same position that don't know that chiropractic can help with, fluid behind the ears, ear infections, all kinds of problems. Most people think it's just neck pain, headaches, back pain. It just helps with so much more. So thank you for doing this.
Hey, do you like the popcorn doctor? Yeah, you do, don't you?